Child development refers to the sequence of physical, language, thought, and emotional changes that occur in a child from birth to the beginning of adulthood. During this process, a child progresses from dependency on their parents or guardians to increasing independence. Child development is strongly influenced by genetic factors, genes passed on from their parents, and events during prenatal life. It is also influenced by environmental facts and the child's learning capacity. One of the examples is the environment has significant impact on intelligence. Intelligence is influenced by factors such as a child's home environment and upbringing, schooling, and access to learning tools, and nutrition, among others. The impacts of a person's environment and genes interact, and separating the effects of environment from those of genetics can be difficult. Is a child's IQ similar to that of his or her parents because of genetic variables passed down from parent to child, or because of shared environmental influences?
Children grow and develop rapidly in their first 5 years across the 4 main areas of development. These areas are motor, physical communication and language, cognitive and social, and emotion. Early intervention services are delivered during this critical time of development. Motor development means the physical growth and strengthening of a child's bones, muscles, and ability to move and touch his/her surroundings.
Emotional development is a complex task that begins in infancy and continues into adulthood. The first emotions that can recognize in babies include joy, anger, sadness, and fear. As children's sense of self develops, more complex emotions like shyness, surprise, elation, embarrassment, shame, guilt, pride, and empathy emerge. School-aged children and young people are still learning to identify emotions, to understand why they happen and how to manage them appropriately. The rate of emotional development in children and young people can vary from person to person. Some children may show a high level of emotional skill development while quite young, whereas others take longer to develop the capacity to manage their emotions well into adolescence.
It is the passing naturally from the parent to offspring through the genes. Example, in the movie, Mary got her intelligence in mathematics from her mother, who is a promising mathematician dedicated to the Navier-Stokes problem. Gifted children have unique learning needs that set them apart. They need to have information teacher who will recognize their talent and to encourage their growth and development critically. Many people believe that gifted children are born with extreme knowledge and superior skills rather than having learning them. Many believe that gifted children will be fine on their own and they don't require additional support.
So I just want to let you know that the movie The Gifted gave us a hopeful reminder that we must not only see these children, instead we must teach and understand and challenge young gifted minds for their sake and not for our sake.